Hi, good afternoon. Yes, is this Mr. White? Yes, Mr. White. This is Miss Gordon calling. Are you seated? Yes, please stay seated. I have some unfortunate news for you. So yes, this afternoon I'm sorry to tell you that your father he died. Yes, he was in a crossfire. Yes, he died at the hospital from gunshot wounds. I'm so sorry to tell you that. My condolences to you, Mr. White.
Hello? Hey, but George, but accept boy, I can't understand this, my brother. I tell you the truth, I can't understand this. Up to now, I don't know what happened. And I can't tell you what I go on. But I know say a man just come and make your father gamble in a bad charge. I say me and the man they are gamble and the man win the game, you know. I'm say a man come bam 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 20 shots. I'm say your father just kick over and boom over, you know. So I say my Superman to blow that. That's your dead. Let me look, I say the man just stretch out breathless. Bad charge. But tell you man, the man that do the man nothing. I gamble a gamble, you know. And the man win the gambling, you know, brother. I collect him out, collect him money, and the man just come and shut the man to brown dog. Bad charge. You come like my pick me, you know. And I'm, yeah, bad charge. Bad charge. Bad charge. Bad. Bad charge. Bad side look like him dead too.